This video covers the speed limiter feature on a Wacker Neuson skid or track loader. It will explain the benefits of using speed limiter and will demonstrate how to set the maximum ground speed. The speed limiter function allows the operator to set the maximum ground travel speed to a comfortable value between 64 and 100% of the normal travel speed. Capping the travel speed below 100% allows the operator to select a comfortable top speed when the drive joystick is pushed fully forward. This can provide better steering control. Speed limiter only impacts the travel speed, not the engine speed. Speed limiter adjusts in 3% increments. An operator can set the top ground travel speed for a skid loader to between 7 and 12 miles per hour. Top speed on a track loader can be set to be between 6 and 9 miles per hour. In the next video clip, the benefit of using speed limiter for better control will be explained.
When we've got a machine that's traveling too fast, we haven't set up the speed limiter, we haven't reduced the travel speed, the tendency is for the operator, when they're traveling with the full stick forward, like I will now, if I'm traveling full stick forward and it's too fast, the operator is going to slow the machine down by backing off on that forward drive command. There, just because you're in a skid steer loader, you're bouncing around, your body is translating motion to your arms, wrist, hand, some of the motion of jostling around might be seen as an uncommanded steering command, which is much easier to get into when you're in an intermediate position. So the best thing to do is to set the speed limiter to the speed that you want to travel so that you can use full stick forward and steer smoothly. Because the joystick is naturally resting against the stop in this full stick forward drive command, you're naturally going to get smoother steering motions out of that machine.
All right, in about 30 seconds, we're going to teach you how to activate the speed limiter on a Wacker Neuson skid steer or compact track loader. Here we go. Key on is going to fire up the main machine display. You can see displayed in the upper right the speed limiter value. This machine is set right now at 100% travel speed. Over on our left joystick, lower left button, I'm going to press and hold until we get a flashing number value, which by pressing down on that same switch, the switch above it, the 2-speed switch for toggling up, and in 3% increments, adjust the speed limiter. We're going to press and hold until we now have a solid, not flashing value, and that's going to be saved through key cycles. Key cycle off. Cycle back on, and we're going to see our preset speed limiter value, 76%. Press and hold, lower left joystick until you get a flashing value. Adjust down by 3%, adjust up by 3%. Press and hold to save the value, and it saves it through key cycles.